Hello and welcome to the Beerman Fan TV. I'm Andrew Alvaro. It's the Outfront match preview show as San Miguel taking on Phoenix on Wednesday at 7 p.m. at the Inara Center. SMB on verge of looking for the second victory taking on Phoenix. SMB is still continuing their dominance in the Philippine Cup. Perfect start, perfect campaign. Thanks to Coach Leo Austria's newly revised system with the help of R. Garcia and Kate Agobida on their debut. As well as Van Opstal can't play in the first game against Star. He needs to be debuted expectedly on the Wednesday's game against Phoenix. So this is a perfect chance if Junmar Fajardo got his back. And right now, the rest of the SMB roster are expected to see in action very soon for Chris Lotz, as he still on the rehabilitation on his return from injury. And suddenly that SMB looking for their second victory, they're trying to regain their momentum as they're looking for their third straight title, probably. And right now, SMB can make their aggressive point in a back and forth on their quarter, including their rebounds, shooting, and probably the steals as well. So my starting five for tomorrow's game will be R. Garcia, Alex Cabagnot, Marshall Lassiter, Aaron Santos, and Fajardo. And my starting five for me will be a 2-1 formation. Do you agree with my starting five formation right now? Tell us in the comment section below. Like us on Facebook, facebook.com/thebeermanfantv. I'm Andrew Alvaro and we'll see you in the next video. Shut up. Bye.